Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to understand about a simple concept, variable definition precedence. Okay, so let's open this documentation link and then go through it, whatever it provides here. Okay, so the above mechanism for setting variables can be used together in any combination. So far, if you see, we have done setting Terraform variables in multiple combinations here. Okay, so using terraform.tfvars or auto-tfvars and then var file and then var file arguments, okay, or directly CLI pop up. Okay, so now here one important thing we need to know is, like, if the same variable is assigned multiple values, Terraform uses the last value it finds, overriding any previous values. Okay, so that is one thing. And note that same variable cannot be assigned multiple values in a single source. Okay, so these two are very important points, but above that, the more important is Terraform loads variables in the following order. Okay, so with later sources taking precedence over earlier ones. Okay, so later sources taking the precedence over earlier ones, that is important. So it loads in this following order, and the later sources means these sources, this is the last source which takes the precedence over these sources. So it's a orderly manner they have defined. So the first precedence is environmental variables, and the next it will load from terraform.tfvars, and then if you have the JSON file tfvars.json, it will load from there, or from star.auto-tfvars or star.auto-tfvars.json, or from -var and then -var files. Okay, so just start off giving a information about what variable definition precedence means, and then when you are using in your respective configuration files multiple things, one is terraform.tfvars, one is auto.tfvars, and again you are also adding var and then var file, all together if you are using, then how it is going to behave is provided here with variable definition precedence. Okay, so these text looks simple, but when you are doing it, if you get any doubt, always come back and then reference this variable definition precedence. Okay, so that is very important. So this completes the variable definition precedence, and in next lecture we are going to understand about the file function. With that, we'll close the input variables. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.